Are you ready to absolutely dominate your next gaming session and leave your competition in the dust? What if I told you that you could get desktop-level gaming performance wrapped up in a sleek, highly portable machine? Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we are taking an incredibly in-depth look at a serious powerhouse that has just hit the market and is already making massive waves in the gaming community. I am talking about the brand new 2026 ASUS ROG Strix G16 gaming laptop. If you are currently hunting for a brand new machine that can easily handle the most intense AAA gaming titles, high-stakes competitive esports, heavy multitasking, and even demanding content creation without breaking a single sweat, you are going to want to sit back, relax, and stick around for this entire video. We are going to completely break down the display, the insane next-generation internal components, the advanced cooling system, and absolutely everything else you need to know before you make your decision. Real quick, before we dive into the deep end of this review, if you want to check the current pricing, read more reviews, or pick up the ASUS ROG Strix G16 for yourself today, I have dropped a direct Amazon link right down in the description below. Clicking that link is the absolute best way to support this channel. It costs you nothing extra, and it ensures that you are getting the absolute best available deal on the internet today. So make sure to check that out when you are ready. Alright, let's get into the review. First impressions matter a whole lot when you are investing in premium technology, and let me tell you, out of the box, the 2026 ROG Strix G16 is an absolute stunner. It comes in this incredibly gorgeous, stealthy colorway that ASUS officially calls Eclipse Gray. It strikes that absolute perfect design balance. It looks aggressive and angular enough that you immediately know it's a high-end gaming machine, but it's sophisticated and sleek enough that you would not feel out of place opening it up in a coffee shop, a business meeting, or a college lecture hall. Looking at the exact form factor, this laptop measures in at 13.94 inches long, 10.55 inches deep, and it is impressively just 0.9 inches thick. For a machine packing this much sheer thermal heat and power, keeping the chassis completely under an inch thick is a massive engineering win by the team at ASUS. As for the weight, the entire unit comes in at exactly 2.65 kilograms. Now, while that is definitely not ultrabook light, for a 16-inch heavy-duty gaming laptop equipped with an advanced thermal cooling system, 2.65 kilos is incredibly manageable. You can easily slide this right into your everyday backpack and take your high-end gaming sessions on the go without feeling like you are carrying around a cinder block. Now, let's move on and talk about the window to your digital world, the display. Because let's face the facts, having the best, most expensive graphics card in the entire world means absolutely nothing if your screen cannot keep up with the frame rates. The Strix G16 features a beautiful, bright 16-inch LED display. But I need to be clear, this is not just any standard screen. This is the highly coveted premium ROG Nebula Display. It boasts a stunning FHD Plus resolution. We are talking exactly 1920 by 1200 pixels, giving you that modern 16:10 aspect ratio. Now, why does that matter? That extra vertical space is an absolute game changer for everyday use. It means you see more of the map in your favorite role-playing games. You can view more code if you are a programmer, or you can see more of your timeline if you are editing videos for YouTube or TikTok. But for us hardcore gamers, the most critical numbers on any spec sheet are the speed metrics. This beautiful LED panel pushes a blistering 165 Hz refresh rate, paired perfectly with a lightning-fast 3-millisecond response time. What exactly does that mean for you when you sit down to play? It means buttery smooth gameplay. It means absolute zero ghosting or screen tearing.
Whether you are holding a super tight angle in a tactical shooter like Valorant or rapidly tracking multiple targets in Call of Duty Warzone, this display genuinely gives you the competitive edge over your opponents. The native 1920 by 1080 resolution is incredibly sharp. The colors pop beautifully thanks to that advanced LED technology, and the fast refresh rate ensures that your screen reacts just as fast as your reflexes allow. Alright, let's look under the hood and talk about the actual hardware. This is where the 2026 ROG Strix G16 truly flexes its muscles. Powering the entire system of this absolute beast is the ultra-powerful Intel Core i7 processor, specifically the 14650HX model. This is a top-tier, high-performance mobile processor designed from the ground up to specifically handle heavy gaming logic, live streaming to Twitch or YouTube, and content creation all at the exact same time. It handles intense background processes effortlessly, ensuring your gameplay never stutters or lags when the action gets heavy. But what about the graphics? Well, ASUS has equipped this beautiful laptop with the highly anticipated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 laptop GPU, complete with a massive 8 GB of dedicated DDR5 SD RAM. Yes, you heard me right, the brand new RTX 50 series architecture is finally here. With the RTX 5060, you are getting cutting-edge ray tracing capabilities that make lighting and reflections look photorealistic, and the latest DLSS technology to artificially boost your frame rates without losing visual quality. This means you can comfortably crank up the graphics settings to ultra on the newest, most demanding AAA titles and still experience incredibly high, stable frame rates. Now, there is also a dedicated Intel video processor that efficiently handles your basic everyday tasks to save battery power. But the second you launch a heavy game, that dedicated RTX 5060 wakes up and takes full control, delivering mind-blowing visual fidelity. To completely support that incredible CPU and GPU combination, ASUS has generously packed in 16 GB of blazing fast DDR5 RAM. DDR5 is the new industry standard, offering significantly faster data transfer speeds and better power efficiency than the older DDR4 generation. In real-world terms, this means much faster load times, instant alt-tabbing between your game and your desktop, and the seamless ability to have Discord, OBS Studio, Spotify, and your game running simultaneously without a single noticeable hiccup in performance. And what about your game library? Out of the box, you get a massive 1 TB Generation 4 PCIe solid-state drive. Let me tell you right now, a Gen 4 SSD is an absolute necessity in the year 2026. Modern games are getting massive, often easily crossing the 100 GB mark. With 1 full terabyte of storage, you have plenty of room for all your favorite games, your massive video files, and your applications. But more importantly, the advanced PCIe Gen 4 interface means your loading screens will practically disappear. Booting up the included Windows 11 home operating system takes mere seconds, and you will consistently be the very first person loaded into the multiplayer lobby every single time you queue up for a match. Now, seasoned PC gamers know that the absolute biggest enemy of any laptop is heat. Thermal throttling can completely ruin your frame rates and ultimately ruin your match. ASUS knows this better than anyone, which is exactly why they integrated their cutting-edge tri-fan technology into the 2026 Strix G16. Unlike traditional gaming laptops that only use 2 standard fans, this highly advanced system uses a third auxiliary fan to specifically direct targeted airflow directly over the GPU and vital motherboard components. It rapidly pulls cool air in through the chassis and violently exhausts the hot air out of the massive copper heatsinks. This means that even during a grueling 4-hour marathon gaming session, the chassis stays comfortably cool under your hands, and your internal components run at their maximum clock speeds. You get sustained, peak performance without ever worrying about the dreaded thermal throttling slowing you down. Let's quickly touch on connectivity and power. Lag is a gamer's nightmare, and thankfully, the Strix G16 is completely future-proofed with a brand new Wi-Fi 7, also known as the 802.11.BE standard. Wi-Fi 7 offers insanely low latency and massive bandwidth capabilities. If you have a compatible modern router, your wireless connection will honestly feel just as stable and lightning fast as a hardwired Ethernet cable. For your physical peripherals, it has all the standard USB connectivity you need for your mouse and keyboard, a dedicated HDMI video output to connect to a larger external monitor or a 4K TV, and full compatible device support for your high-end gaming headphone, external mouse, and speaker setups. Powering all of this incredible technology away from the wall outlet is a massive 90-watt-hour lithium-ion battery. Now, I always want to be completely transparent and honest with you guys. This is a very high-performance machine.
Under a heavy gaming load, running that RTX 5060 at full tilt, you can expect about 2 hours of active battery life, which is very standard for top-tier gaming laptops in this class. However, for regular everyday productivity, scrolling the web or watching YouTube videos, the intelligent power management gives you an incredible 50 hours of average standby time. It comes with a limited warranty for your peace of mind, and it truly is an all-in-one powerhouse. So, what is the final verdict on the 2026 ASUS ROG G16? If you are genuinely looking for a premium machine that compromises absolutely nothing, delivering an incredible 165Hz ROG Nebula Display, the immense next-gen power of the RTX 5060, the blazing speed of an Intel Core i7 processor, and a robust tri-fan cooling system, then this laptop is a massive win. It runs Windows 11 Home flawlessly, looks amazing in Eclipse Gray, and will easily handle any game you throw at it for years to come. If you are ready to upgrade your setup, be sure to click that Amazon link down in the description right now. If you found this review helpful, please smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment below letting me know what game you would play first on this beast. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.